flame arresters are certified by notified bodies in certain conditions. And one of the conditions is that the nominal size of the pipeline at the site where the ignition is, which is called the unprotected sites, shall be either equal or less. And sometimes we see that this is not the real situation, that there is a reduction. As you can see in the next slide, we were working on a project, and we had already defined the flame arresters, but our customer needed step files and then sent the nice picture of the complete installation. And all of a sudden we discovered the central zone is a reduction. The flame is coming from below and a DN150 pipe. But some measurement equipments in the middle, they have a DN100. And then we go back to DN150 to the detonation arrestor, which you see on top. The reduction there from DN100 to DN150 can cause unstable behavior, and the flame arrestor could therefore not be able to stop the flame because it has been tested, certified as if it were a DN150 pipe without restrictions.
Yeah, and the smaller size lead to increase in pressure and velocity. So the explosion process behavior is changed. So as you see on the right photo, that is a really big mistake. So please always be aware. Maybe you can ask for the IOM before or ask the manufacturer, or as we were here lucky to get the installation which was planned, so we could give an advice before it was too late.